Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to file an Allianz insurance claim online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to file an Allianz insurance claim online, what you need to do is first select from travel, health, car, home or any other Allianz policy. The next step is to simply head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar type in Allianz claim, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is type or select make a claim option or claim center if you are using it for travel insurance claim. You can also choose claim type if you want from travel insurance claim, medical claim, flight delay or cancellation claim, car insurance claim, home insurance claim, and life or health insurance claim. Simply tap on this start a new claim option, and then once you're inside there, you'll be asked to log in using your email or create an account, which usually takes 2 to 3 minutes, and have your policy number, your email number, phone number ready. Simply tap on start, and now here what you need to do is you'll be prompted to fill in your claim details. The online form will ask you what happened, date of the event like lost luggage, accidents, etc., where it happened, and any sort of supporting documents, and keep your explanation simple and clear. Then upload required documents. Depending on your claim, Allianz may ask for documents such as passport or ID, travel tickets or boarding passes, police report, receipts, medical reports, and photos. Tap on upload option given in the screen and choose photos or PDF files. Then next is to review and submit your claim. Before submitting, check your name, policy number, contact details, uploaded documents, and then simply tap on submit claim. You will receive a confirmation email, claim reference number, and write this down or save it. You can also track your claim online by going back to the Allianz website or app and selecting my claims or track claim, and enter your email with claim reference number, and you will see claim status, documents needed, approval or prompt payment updates. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.